How to make a good first impression. Making a good first impression is crucial in various aspects of life, whether it's during a job interview, meeting new people, or any social or professional interaction. Here are some tips to help you make a positive and memorable first impression. 1. Dress appropriately. Wear clothing that is suitable for the occasion. Dressing neatly and in accordance with the setting shows that you respect the situation and the people you're meeting. 2. Maintain good hygiene. Pay attention to personal grooming. Ensure that you are clean and well-groomed, including hair, nails, and personal hygiene. 3. Smile. A warm and genuine smile is one of the most powerful tools for making a positive impression. It communicates approachability and friendliness. 4. Make eye contact. Maintain appropriate eye contact when speaking with someone. It conveys confidence and engagement. Avoid staring, which can make people uncomfortable. 5. Offer a firm handshake. A handshake can convey a lot about your confidence and character. 5. Aim for a firm, but not overly aggressive, handshake. A weak handshake may be perceived as a lack of confidence. 6. Be punctual. Arrive on time for meetings, interviews, or appointments. Being punctual demonstrates respect for others' time and shows that you are reliable. 7. Be attentive. Pay attention to the other person and actively listen to what they are saying. Show genuine interest in the conversation by asking questions and responding thoughtfully. 8. Mind your body language. Your body language speaks volumes. Maintain good posture. Avoid crossing your arms, which can be perceived as defensive, and use open gestures to appear more approachable. 9. Use positive language. Speak positively and avoid negative or offensive language. Compliment when appropriate and show gratitude. 10. Be confident, not arrogant. Confidence is attractive, but arrogance is not. Strike a balance by being self-assured and humble. Avoid dominating conversations or appearing overly self-centered. 11. Show respect. Treat everyone you meet with respect and courtesy, regardless of their position or status. Being respectful is a sure way to make a positive impression. 12. Research and preparation. If you have information about the person or situation you're encountering, use it to your advantage. It shows that you've taken the time to prepare. 13. Be yourself. Authenticity is key. While you want to present your best self, trying to be someone you're not can backfire. People appreciate genuineness. 14. Follow up. After the initial interaction, consider sending a thank you note or email to express your appreciation for the meeting or interview. It reinforces your positive impression. 15. Stay calm and relaxed. Nervousness can lead to awkwardness. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing to stay calm and composed. Remember that first impressions are often formed within seconds, and they can have a lasting impact. By being mindful of these tips and practicing good social etiquette, you can increase your chances of making a favorable first impression in various situations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Do share your comments as well.